A very good morning. Welcome back to the second day of Aurora Seed for Thought, the Inter-School Debating Fest of Queens Valley School in collaboration with BEHES. Yesterday, the adjudicators got the opportunity to witness the confidence and oratory skills of young women whose passionate arguments and outstanding skills of impromptu content were a sight to behold. We will soon be proceeding with the announcements of the names of the teams that have qualified for the knockout rounds and also the speaker standings on the basis of yesterday's performance. Also, don't forget to tune into the BEHES YouTube channel at 5 p.m. today for the panel discussion on the topic, The Quarantine Model, Challenges for Women at Work. Our panelists, who have carved a niche for themselves in their respective areas of expertise, look forward to help young women circumvent the challenges and ordeals they may face later in life and fearlessly question the legitimacy and biasedness of stereotypical behaviors. Once again, I wish all of you good luck. Break a leg. Over to you, Salil sir.
Hello and welcome to the All Girls Online Round 2020. We are here in day 2. Over 170 female debaters debated on day 1 at the Online All Girls Round 2020. Now, not all of you will move on to the knockout rounds. Not all of you will finish in a top speaker position. But what we want you to remember is that what you walk away from this weekend with is going to be a little more than a medal position or a qualification. And in the spirit of that, I'd like to remind you that at 5 p.m. today, right on this YouTube page, what we are going to do is have a live panel discussion with 6 eminent women from various fields. And they'll be addressing some questions, of course, that have been prepared by our moderators from the Queens Valley School, Dwarka, as well as the BEHES team. And we will also be taking questions and comments from you. So please feel free to unload in the chat, and we'll take some of the top questions and comments and address them to our panelists. But now we begin. Ladies and gentlemen, the All Girls Delhi round has been taking place for 4 years now. It had been christened under the name Aurora for the fest of the for the annual function of the Queens Valley School, Dwarka. We love working with these guys, and yet again they have worked with us to ensure that you guys got a smooth round and a great platform. I want you all to please in the chat give your love and congratulations to the Queens Valley School, Dwarka, who continue to do incredible work in their field, and we are so thankful to know you guys well. Next up, if those of you who are on Facebook, you can join up with our Facebook community on the BEHES group on Facebook, where there are over 4,400 debaters, adjudicators, coaches, teachers, principals, parents from all over India and beyond. So if you have any queries, you're trying to make a team, you want to know where the BEHES is, any questions whatsoever, please reach out there and someone from the community will be happy to help. Now, what I think is a less interactive platform, but clearly most of the current generation does not agree. We are also on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is @BEHESDebate. Please upload your top videos, pictures, and at that, I want to tell you that we'll be announcing the qualifiers later. So if you can take a video of yourself, if you qualify, and if you send us that, we'll upload it on our social media and try and use it in our promotion for the BEHES, which will happen in 2021 as well. Please remember to use the hashtag #NotAllHeroesWearPants. Not all heroes wear pants with the hashtag, guys. And now, we are ready to begin. We will be announcing the top 10 debaters in the Cubs division and the top 20 debaters in the Lands division as part of this opening ceremony. Please remember that these standings are just based on your performances yesterday, and they could change dramatically by the end of the day based on how the debaters who did well today perform. Please remember, even if your team gets knocked out at the end of day 1, which is during this ceremony, you are still eligible to be one of the best speakers in your division. Moving on to day 2 is not a factor that determines how high you finish in the best speaker standings. And now we begin. Our first presenter I'd like to call upon is someone you have gotten to know very well, and we are very glad to give her more and more responsibility as time moves on. And this All Girls round was, I believe, made just for her. I'd like to call upon Miss Chandrika Tomar. Chandrika, take it away.
Thank you, Salil sir. Now I'm here to announce the best speaker standings in the Cubs division. So at the 10th place, we have Palak Bamra from the Radiant International School. At the 9th position, we have Michelle Kaur from the Bishop's Co-ed School, Kalyani Nagar, Pune. At the 8th position, we have Manchand Kaur from the Queens Valley School. At the 7th position, we have Tamanna Kamboj from the President School. And at the 6th position, we have Bani Kaur Maturu from the Bishop's Co-ed School, Kalyani Nagar, Pune. Now, over to you, Navneet.
Hey, thank you, Chandrika. Guys, Chandrika OP in the chat. I have announced top 5 speakers in the Cubs division on the basis of day 1. Like always, I'll remind you that these are just the interim results, so these are not the finals and they might change by the end of the day. Also, now that you are accustomed to celebration, celebrate and tag us on the Instagram @BehesDebate. You can see it scrolling down right now. Alright, if you think the best speaker comes from your school, you should start guessing it from now because these are the top 5 speakers you need to watch out. At 5th, representing the Shivnadar School Gurgaon, Suhani Saraf. At 4th, representing the Queens Valley School Dwarka, your host for the round, Alia Farooqi. At 3rd, representing the Shivnadar School Gurgaon, Tara Chadda. And your second best speaker at the end of day 1 comes from in the chat, no? Okay. Comes from Presidium Gurgaon, Navya Chaudhary. That means your best speaker is also from Gurgaon, representing the Shivnadar School Gurgaon, Priyanshi Bagga. Make some virtual noise for your top 10 speakers in the Cubs division to announce the best speakers in the Lions division. I'm going to call upon Samra.
Thank you so much, Navneet. Now in the Lions division, at the 20th position, we have Ananya Batra from Queens Valley School. At the 19th position, from Presidium Gurgaon, we have Rishi Agarwal. At 18th position, from Queens Valley School, we have Itika Bhutani. At 17th position, from Queens Valley School, we have Saivya Dhar. At 16th position, from Sri Venkateshwar International School, we have Jasleen Kaur. Now I would like to hand it over to Muskan.
Thank you, Samra. Alright, on 15th, coming to you from Queens Valley School, we have Adya Jha. On 14th, coming from Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls School, we have Chahat Patni. On 13th, coming from Presidium Gurgaon, we have Kinza Rahman. On 12th, coming from Venkateshwar International School, we have Paridhi Gupta. On 11th, we have Avni Sharma from Indraprasth International School, Dwarka. And now for the top 10 speakers, we have Salil Singh.
Thanks, Muskan. And now, your top 10 debaters in the Lions division. In 10th place, coming to you from the Bishop's Co-ed School, Kalyani Nagar, Advitiya Duddu. In 9th, from the Mount Carmel School, Dwarka, Akriti Jha. In 8th, from the ITL Public School, Vanshika Gupta. In 7th, from the Indraprasth International School, Ashna Belu. In 6th, from Indraprasth International again, Grisha Sharma. In 5th, from the Shri Ram World School, Dwarka, Dhriti Narang. In 4th, from the Venkateshwar International School, Rishika Uppal. In 3rd place, coming to you from Gurukul the school, Aksha Suryavanshi. In 2nd place, coming to you from Gurukul the school, Ghaziabad, Tanishi Ahuja. And that means your top debater in the Lions division comes to you from, guess in the chat, where are they from? Are they from Jaipur? Are they from Patna? Are they from California? Ladies and gentlemen, your top debater comes to you from Delhi, from Dwarka, from the Mount Carmel School, Dwarka, Parisa Mehta. Congratulate all of our best speakers in the Lions division and the Cubs division in the chat. And now we move on to the moment of truth. There will be 16 teams in the Cubs division. And now the moment of truth. There will be 16 teams in the Cubs division and 16 teams in the Lions division that will move on to the knockout rounds. As always, these teams will have one automatic qualification to the Mahabahas 2021. So, if you hear your name called out, please do celebrate. I'm gonna give you all a minute now to set up your cameras so that if you like, you can capture your reaction if you get qualified. I'm just also gonna give you a minute to get together with your teammates so that you can be together for this moment. Starting now. All right. I will be reading out the debate room number in which the debate will be taking place, as well as the teams. So please take note. After this video is done premiering, you will of course be able to skip through the video and see the slides again. So please do not worry if you miss out on something. And now your qualifiers. In room number 1, Team C7, the She Debaters from Presidium will take on Team C16, Team Bingo from the Sachdeva Global School, Dwarka. In room number 2, Team C15, the Alphas from Bishop's Coed, Kalyani Nagar, will take on Team C17, an original team name from the Radiant International School, Patna. In room number 3, Team C20, the Chosen Ones from Shiv Nadar School, Gurgaon, will take on Team C13, the Wonder Girls from the Orvis School, Pune. In room number 4, Team C3, Tum Hame Motion Do, Hum Tumhe Rebuttals Denge from the Queens Valley School, Dwarka, will take on Team C8, Behas Ke Aage Jeet Hai, also from the Queens Valley School, Dwarka. In room number 5, Team C4, the Striking Debaters, will take on Team C18 Cubs from the Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls School, Jaipur. In room number 16, Team C5, Debate on the Platter of Our E, mate, from the Maxford School, Dwarka, will take on Team C11, the Rule Breakers from the Heritage School, Vasant Kunj. In room number 7, Team C6, आज हमारे पास मैटर है, रिबटल्स हैं, टीम मेंबर्स हैं, तुम्हारे पास क्या है from the Queens Valley School, Dwarka, will take on Team C1, Take Debate from Shiv Nadar School, Gurgaon. In room number 8, Team C14, Warriors of Words from Indraprasth International, will take on your final team in the Cubs division to make it through, Team C0. 1-0, the Debating Divas from the Maxford School, Dwarka. Congratulations to all of our qualifiers in the Cubs division. And now, we move on to the Lions division. Here are your top teams to make it through. In room number 9, Team L3, Crimson Dominion from APS Shankar Vihar, will take on Team L6, What's in a Name from SVIS Dwarka. In room number 10, Team L8, Let Me Fix My Mask, Ara from QVS Dwarka, will take on Team L11, Tera Dhyan Kidhar Hai, Debaters Idhar Hai, which is of course referencing a very classic song from ITL Public School, Dwarka. The song is not from ITL Public School, Dwarka, the team is. In room number 11, Team L24, the Dragons from Indraprasth International, Dwarka, will take on Team L13, Error 404, Brain Not Found from QVS. In room number 12, Team L25, the Wildcats from Shiv Nadar School, Gurgaon. They have watched the movie Dawn recently. Will take on Team L19, the Three Witches from Macbeth from Presidium, Gurgaon, Sector 57. Maybe not the best name in keeping with the All Girls Round team. In room number 13, Team L26, the Lions from Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls School, Jaipur, who are joining us for the first time, by the way, after having talked to us for 2 years. In room 13, they will be joined by Team L9, Sour Pink from QVS Dwarka. In room number 14, Team L27, the Gurukul Lionesses from Gurukul the school, will take on Team L23, the Winsome 3 from IPS International, Dwarka. In room number 15, Team L36, invalid username from Venkateshwar International School, will take on Team L37, the Kasukabe Defense Group from the Shri Ram World School. I'm sorry for butchering that. I do not watch anime. In room number 16, Team L10, Hukum Ka IK Square A from the Presidium School, Gurgaon, will take on your final team to make it through in the Lions division, Team L22. That's what Salil Sir said from the Maxford School, Dwarka. If they win the best team name, it is not nepotism. Congratulations to all of our qualifiers in the Cubs and Lions division. Guys, I just want you to remember, we know that not all of you qualified. We know that not all of you were in the best speaker standings. But we want you to view this as the beginning, hopefully, of a journey. There will be many, many more online rounds. You can check out our website, behes.org, and we will have the calendar for the rest of the year right there. If you did not qualify today, we want you to know that there are multiple stories of people who got nowhere in their first round. In fact, people who are members of our team right now, and those guys did incredibly well later and even made it all the way to our team. So I just want to tell the ones who didn't to not lose hope. And at that note, once again, I remind you that at 5 p.m. you should come back right to this YouTube channel, because we are going to be holding our panel discussion for the All Girls Round live. So please be there for that and for the closing at 7. Remember, even if you aren't in the best speaker list right now, you can still make it by the end of the day. Good luck to all of you.
Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck.
Good luck.